In today's video, let's talk about the few ways to use papaya for maximizing benefits depending on your unique skin type. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for daily health tips. Number 1, for dry skin. A pack with papaya pulp, milk and honey can moisturize your dry skin and make it glow. Take half a cup of mashed papaya pulp and mix it with milk and honey. Make a smooth paste and apply the pack to your face and neck. Wash it off with water after 15 minutes. For best results, repeat once or twice a week. Number 2, for oily skin. Papaya and orange both contain vitamin C. A mixture of their juices is believed to act as a natural astringent that can minimize sebum production. Make a smooth blend of chopped papaya and orange pulp. Apply the mix to the face and neck and leave it for 15 minutes. Then rinse with cold water. Number 3, for irritated skin. A face pack with cucumber, banana, and papaya pulp will moisturize skin and help to lighten it. The anti-inflammatory and anti-acne properties of papaya can soothe your skin and reduce itchiness and redness. Keep the face pack on for 15 minutes and wash off. Number 4, for acne-prone skin. Papaya contains enzymes that help cleanse the skin and unclog pores. Together with honey and lemon juice, it can also kill harmful acne-causing bacteria. Take mashed papaya and add honey, lemon juice, and sandalwood powder to it and make a smooth paste. Apply this to the face and wash off with water after 15 minutes. Number 5, for skin brightening. Mashed papaya with lemon juice can brighten your skin with its skin lightening, bleaching, and astringent properties. Apply it on your face and wash off once it dries. In conclusion, papaya can benefit your skin in multiple ways. Not only the fruit, but its leaves and seeds are also beneficial for your skin. Besides using the fruit directly, you can also get the goodness of papaya from its gel, powder, seed oil, soap, packs, etc. So, start nourishing your skin with the goodness of papaya. Make sure to hit the like button, and tell us in the comments what would you like us to talk about in our upcoming videos. Till then, stay healthy and take care.